Hi, my name is Reed Rupnow. I am the Tool and Material Handling Product Manager for John Ray Foster. Our Tool and Material Handling team consists of myself, and we have a product specialist as well to help our customers with installations and troubleshooting. And then we have a repair department as well, so we get into tool repair, hoist repair, recertifications. We specialize in precision fastening and custom material handling solutions for customers. Want to add value versus just selling a run-of-the-mill catalog type tool. We carry everything from impact wrenches and grinders all the way up to precision torque tools. And for lifting, we cover everything from small ergonomic, light duty balancers all the way up to, 4, 10, 12, 8-ton cranes. Kind of cover the whole gamut. Some of the lines we carry, Ingersoll Rand is our main line, and that covers everything from impact wrenches and grinders and automotive type maintenance tools, all the way up to precision fastening. For torque critical applications, safety critical applications, data collection, get into click wrenches with Sturtevant Richmont, some surface preparation with Dynabrade. We've partnered with Aimco Acrodyne for high torque bolting applications. We've partnered with Sioux Tools for some of the more MRO type maintenance tools, Makita production tools and assembly tools. A lot of that stuff is built here in St. Louis as well, and we're able to help service that.